While I was passing through this area earlier, this abandoned house caught my attention. It was in such poor condition, but I was in a hurry and couldn't stop.
Now that I'm on my way back, I finally have the chance to take a closer look and see just how bad it really is. Let's see.
Hello? Anyone home?
Yes? What you need?
Sir, I'd like to talk to you about something. I'm also recording this conversation. Would that be okay with you?
Yes, it's okay.
Sir, do you live here alone?
No, my wife lives here with me too. She's sick at the moment and is sleeping right now.
Ooh, that's bad. All right, sir. I'd like to ask one last question for my audience. How old is this house? Judging by its condition, it looks
It's
quite
been over
old.
30 years now since we built this house.
So, sir, if we were to renovate your 30-year-old house and make it look brand new, would that make you happy?
But I don't have the money.
Don't worry about the money. Just look into the camera and tell everyone watching to subscribe to the channel and follow us. Please all follow him. Thank you, sir.
Okay, starting now. Steady on the ladder. Looks like it's working. Yeah, getting a lot out. Move quickly! Everything must go! I've got the sacks. Watch the table on the way out.
I'll take the pots and the shelves.
Lock that piece in. Frame secured. Grab the mattress. Set it down. Table goes here. Done. Let's go. All right, lift it up. Watch your step. Put it right there by the fire.